pottery demo for Mother's Day. Ayan. So yung that's from the center. And then, yung legs, nakahug sa wheel. So yung wheel natin, mga ganyan. Medyo magkaiba siya, pero iisa yung parts niya. The wheel head, where we put the plate. Ito na nga nasa gilid. Yung white is the splash pans na magka-catch ng water while we're throwing. And then, yung pedals. Yung sa akin, yung wheel ko, naka-ano lang siya, may knob. And then this controls the speed. The more that I twist it, the faster it gets. Yung mga wheels na nasa harap mo, it has a pedal. So yung pedal yung magko-control ng speed. The more you press it, the faster it gets. Okay? So medyo, to start, we're gonna center the clay. So medyo basahin natin ng konti para lang dumikit siya. And then, you slam it as hard as you can, as centered as you can. Sa gitna lang. You don't want. So, pulling down, you push forward and down. Forward and down.
Ikikip mo ito kahit pangit ito sa first time.
Dirty lang. Ano ka, mami? Look at watch na.
Sabi yung pang ilan?
Daddy, ang
Napangit.
Wow! Move! Move on!
Blue.